Do you love hiking or biking and you just want to record that adventure? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Zakotu sports camera. This is a camera that helps you easily record yourself POV on an adventure. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. This is the Zakotu sports camera. Record a beautiful life. Look at that full HD. Packaging looks really nice. It's got a lot of information on it as well as being in color. Looks high quality. Nice. Well, let's open it up. So one of the first things you see in the box are all of these different accessories that are included so that you can record POV in the easiest manner for yourself. This is probably one of the coolest ones right here. If you see, it is magnetized, and that's just awesome right there. Please wear the pendant under your shirt. Wow. Look at that. That's just so smart. And they've also got this one right here, which is a clip, and this one is also just makes your life so much easier. Looks like we have part of a strap rig as well, so it's just awesome that they include so many different options in the box. You're also going to get this USB-A to USB-C cable for charging the device up. We've got a user manual right here, which is just going to explain how to get the absolute most out of your sports camera. And last but not least, the camera itself. Whoa, look at this. Everything is just put in it. It's so compact. It's got a little memory card right here as well as your USB port. On the side it has a power button, it looks like. Very, very nice. We got a screen right here. We'll pull that off for you guys. And then on the back, we'll also pull that off as well. So, everything you need in this little device that fits in my hand. Nice. Well, let's go ahead and get everything set up and try it out.
This is the mini body camera from Zakotu. 1080p HD hands-free POV. This action camera records crisp 1080p HD video, ideal for video recording or pet monitoring. The built-in display shows real-time power levels and recording status, allowing instant previews and playback to ensure perfect framing. Whether you're hiking, cycling, or documenting your pet's adventures, this mini camera is the ultimate companion for on-the-go recording. Thumb size at 26 grams, this body camera is only the size of a thumb and weighs just about 0.9 ounces or 26 grams. This body camera can accompany you to every mile of the world easily. You can mount it on your body without even noticing it's there, blending seamlessly with you. The vlogging camera can also be clipped onto your clothes for lectures, daily vlogs, biking, hiking, fishing, and more. 120-degree wide-angle lens at 360-degree rotatable mount. Capture immersive footage with the 120-degree wide-angle lens, while the 360-degree adjustable mount allows you flexible positioning on handlebars, helmets, or magnetic surfaces. Ideal for documenting dynamic action shots, pet antics, or scenic travel moments from any angle. And you can mount it anywhere. It's designed for flexibility. This mini body camera comes with a 360-degree swivel detachable clip and magnetic lanyard, easily doubling as a camera necklace or snap camera. Attach it to clothing, bags, metal surfaces, or flat surfaces via its stable stand, making it a breeze to use as a chest camera, head camera, or wearable camera. Whether you're filming pets, vlogging, or capturing action, this micro camera adapts to any angle. And you can record while charging. With the Type-C fast charging port, this sports camera fully charges in just about 1 hour and delivers 120 minutes of continuous recording on a full battery. It's compatible with battery banks or motorcycle chargers, and it supports recording while charging for non-stop filming. So it's perfect for extended trips or all-day events. But keep in mind it requires a micro SD card, and that's not included to work. And it supports up to 512 gigabytes of memory card.
So this is what the microphone sounds like. I don't know how it sounds, but we'll see when we look at the video. Hopefully it's good. So that way you capture all the sounds, the birds, traffic, things like that on your adventure.
And you can also use the included USB-C data cable to connect directly to your computer to export videos and pictures. This thing is so affordable and makes your life so much easier. You don't have to break the bank to capture all the excitement in your life. So I gotta say, Zakotu, great job!
This is our first time working with Zakotu, and I gotta say, this thing is awesome. It just makes everything so much easier. You know, but this sports camera is so easy because you just clip it on and it's good to go. So we want to give a huge shout out to Zakotu for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!